Hey guys, Menchu here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to make a copy of a track by RBØR and Joezi called Isoma. Yeah, because it's something like words in this vocal, in original vocals. So the track, original track, I'll leave the link in description. You can listen to it, and let me show some key parts of the track, and I'll explain what I used here. Yes, sounds like that. Yeah, so it's an Afro house track, something like with a melodic house and techno vibe, because there are a lot of melodic elements like this melody, but it's Afro house, of course, because of the drums. So we have bass drum, sounds like that. We have shakers. Something like that. Yeah, it's Afro house drums. We have something like arpeggio or pluck. This feature is really important in the Afro house track, because I think 99% of these tracks have that pluck. Sounds like that. We have something like a tom. Yeah, we have FX. I decided to make this effect. Yeah, I used a lot of delay and reverb here. Also we have sub bass and tom. Yeah, also we have something like a mid bass step or something. By the way, these two layers are used in melodic house and techno tracks. It sounds like that. Yeah, we have this one. It's something like atmosphere vocals playing on the background. We have these, I don't know, something like a pluck or pad in the breakdown. Like that. Also we have something like a melody. Yeah, and we have automation of the filter I used in this track. Yeah, sounds like that. Also we have these percussion. It's like a tambourine. We have this melody. Also we have here something like a staccato string. I also heard this in the original track, and we have the part of this percussion. It's something like, by the way, it's EDM perc from EDM5 pack. Maybe you can't open this project properly because I'll upload it on Patreon and Boosty, and you can easily check what we have in this project. We have this one, we have this percussion, something like a metallic percussion, and this one. Yeah. So we have 3 layers of this percussion, and we have 3 additional layers. So let me. And we have these layers like a step and percussion. I decided to use reverb automation. It's something like we have more reverb here and less reverb here. I heard it also in the original track. So we have this step percussion instrument. It sounds really cool. I like how it sounds because it's really massive. Yes, sounds really good. I like it. So we have a texture. Something like playing on the background. Also effects. We have this one, and we have sweepers. So something like that. The whole track, my version, of course, you can hear, you can listen to in my Telegram channel. I leave the link in the description, so you can find it and maybe download and listen to it. Yeah, so it sounds like that. What do you think about this track, about this genre generally? Do you like Afro house or maybe melodic house or techno? I don't know. As I said, this project you will check the link in the description. Also, don't forget to check the version of FL Studio and Serum because it's important. Maybe you don't have version 21. By the way, I'm working in the 21st version so far because not so many guys updated to 24. Yeah, that's why I'm still making my project for my channel in 21st version. Yeah, something like that. So Mensch was here. Bye bye guys.